Vincent here. Today I am reviewing SocialPop, a cloud-based software. It also comes with a WordPress plugin for easy addition to WordPress sites. Being a cloud-based system, it also comes with embed code. Because of this embed code, you are not restricted to using it to just a WordPress blog. It can work on any website. Second is the way it looks. SocialPop is more than a pop. Not only can you set the system to show your pop-up anywhere on the screen you like, but you can also fully customize the look of it. You can even add your own little icon in the pop-up message. This is something I really liked, as it adds a bit of branding and personal touch. SocialPop design and functionality. It can show the number of people currently viewing your page. It can also show the number of people who visited in the last 24 hours. It can show the number of people who bought your product, the number of bonuses that are actually left, the total number of a product that have been sold. In short, there are a lot more possibilities, and a lot more potential for different types of scarcity. I can see a lot of opportunity to run scarcity campaigns. For example, someone doing real estate or other kind of high-end listing could say, X number of people have visited this listing in the last 24 hours. 2. Someone doing an affiliate promo could say, this special bonus is only for the first X number of people, and then show the actual number of people who have bought, or show the actual number of bonuses that are left. 3. Someone selling their own product could show the number of people currently viewing the page, the number of people who bought in the last hour, or the number of special discount price offers left, etc. These are just a few ideas off the top of my head. What makes this so much more functional is the fact that it does not just track the number of visitors. It also tracks bonus conversions and product sales. This opens the door for a lot more possibilities. There is one thing I did not quite like about, which is the fact that the analytics and stat reporting is in the upsell. It will cost more if you want this optional features. I feel that analytics tracking is kind of a basic functionality that should be included in the front-end price. Overall, I have to admit, this is not just a scarcity software. It also has more functional and flexible features. Let's watch SocialPop in action.
Hey, Sam here. So what I'm going to show you is how to set up a campaign for a bonus page as if you are setting one up for a bonus page. So really straightforward and easy. All you need to do is first of all click Add Campaign. You've got your campaign name, which in this case is going to be EasyVSL2. I'm setting up one for that campaign right now. I'll type in the link, the URL where this is going to be, and I'll add in a destination URL. Now right now you don't need to worry about this, we're actually doing an upgrade on this, but for now we're just going to save this information as we have it here. Next we need to add in the pop-up name again, EasyVSL. This is the pop-up name. Now the campaign name is separate from the pop-up name because you can actually have multiple pop-ups popping up while you run a campaign. So I'm going to do EasyVSL OTO2 bonus. I'm going to have the pop-up. It's going to pop up on the left top corner. And what also we're going to do is we're going to choose our chosen campaign. This is the bonus campaign that I recommend using. The reason being that it is specifically created for a bonus campaign. So there are JV sold out of total products. So there are, you might say to your audience, there are only X number left of 50 or whatever the amount is, OTO2 bonuses, or in my case it's click factory for software bonuses. and I'll be using this campaign actively, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to type in JVZoo. I'm going to grab the URL of the campaign that I'm running. So in this case, I'm going to be delivering this and counting my OTO2 sales, because I'm actually pre-selling an OTO2. This is a test, a Funwe test. I haven't pre-sold an OTO2 before, so trying something out. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just grabbing the product ID. You see this number right at the end of the URL here, the end of the affiliate URL. That's the URL you need to grab. I'm just going to grab that, add that into my product ID here. Now, how many products do I want to sell? I've got 50 to offer today, and I'm not going to put a timer on it. I'm going to put it in real time, floating fixed. You can go through the training to find out all these details and what they mean. Click next, and now we're actually going to go and build out our campaign. So here is where we can actually animate our campaign. We can make the template bobble up and down. We can add different effects. We can customize it, add icons, all of that. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my Click Factory logo, or an image from Click Factory. Or, actually, even a better idea, I'm going to have my face pop up, because people are familiar with me and they'll look when they see my face popping up. So let's just grab an image of mine from the past. There we are. We'll add this in. It's going to add into our template right here. I've added into the background by accident. Let's delete that. And let's add it into the icon. You can add background images as well as front-end images. And I happened to add a background image just then. So no problem at all. We'll add this in. We'll click open. It's going to add this in. We'll then change up our template a bit. Going to change up the template we're using. We'll use a bit of a darker template today for this campaign. Maybe this one right. I'll use this one here. This will be fine. Then we can choose if we want the text to be bold, if we want it to stand out. This looks fine to me. We could make it white or red if we wanted to. White, whatever's going to stand out best is probably what's best to use it as. Then we click submit, and we've successfully created our first pop-up. Now you can create more than one pop-up if you want. You could have 5, 6 pop-ups popping up whenever you wanted, and you can actually have them on a timer, so you could choose when that timer popped up. Now if I was going to use this on a different type of page that wasn't a JVZoo page, I would install this code here, and then a pixel code, an image code, which basically triggers once someone does a sale. Because I'm doing this through JVZoo, go back into the edit this pop-up right here, and you'll see this JVZoo IPN URL right here. Copy that, take it across to the bonus you're offering here, click save in the affiliate JVZoo IPN. Now this is in every single marketplace link relating to any sort of product. Alright, so there you go, we add it in there, and it's going to trigger when a sale is made. We would then add our bonuses that we're offering down here, obviously, and that's done. So now the final step is actually adding this to our website. So to do that, we go back to our campaigns menu, we go down, we grab these 2 items here. This is number 1. We're going to grab this item right here. We're going to go across to our blog, the blog we're actually currently working on, or the HTML bonus page that we're currently working on. We're going to add it to that bonus page. So in this case, in my case, I'm going to go edit. I'm going to go into here, page settings, other scripts, add new. I can add in to the header, right? This is for the header, this first one. Next, I'm going to add into the body, and this is the same with any HTML you're using, anything else you're doing. It's going to be the same process. You're going to want to add this into the header and the body. If you need a developer to do that, I'm sure your developer will be quite capable of achieving that. So we click yes, done. Once we've done that, we're just going to update our page, and then we're going to go ahead and click save. Cool, so we've saved it. Now let's load our page up. We're going to see this page pop up here, and we're going to see our bonus pop up in just a moment. Here it is. It's up here. You can see it's slightly covered because of WordPress. You could have this down the bottom. This is covered on my WordPress because I'm logged in, but if I was to adjust the pop-up where it pops up, which I can do really easily, and edit it, then I can do that. I'll just show you how to do that. Edits are in live time. Once you've installed this on the page, then it's there. You can edit it, do everything else you want, and I'll show you how to verify it as well. So let's just make it pop up on the, say for example, the right bottom corner. So right bottom corner, a popular place for it. Click submit. And we're going to go ahead, click save again, and we're going to firstly, I'm going to show you this, verify it. Now, this verification is to make sure the code is added. So say, for example, you don't see it popping up for whatever reason, you can click on this verified and it'll say whether it's verified or not. This was something I did because I thought customers would want to verify their link, so now you can actually verify the URL. Alright, now let's do one final look at this pop-up, and again, once you understand this, you can run this for your own campaigns. Now that you've seen this, I'm hoping that you can put a campaign together for yourself, use it as a case study before launch. Still a lot of time, there it is. Only 50 left, and you'll see that 50 number, it'll go down as the launch progresses, as you sell more copies. So you can use this as a front-end bonus, OTO 1 bonus, OTO 2 bonuses, and it's going to be really useful. So thank you for listening. Thank you.
Click the link below to learn more.